I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Happy 2025. Happy 2020 thrive. Welcome to my happy 2025. I know I'm very late. Today is the 26th of January 2025. I'm very late to say, well, not quite late because you guys are seeing me for the first time in 2025. So I have to say, happy 2025 and compliments of the new year. I know some of you thought that I wasn't going to come back. I'm never going to come back. I'm always going to come back. I've always said that. I love being here. So definitely you can count on that. I'm always going to come back here, regardless of how old I am. I see myself doing this, on and on until I'm in my, till the day I die, actually. Till the day I die. So, for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Welcome on these I'm Every Woman streets. Welcome to Miss LPD's channel. It's called I'm Every Woman. I'm a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a colleague, and a lover. It's all in me. So, if you're looking for all things women, sit back, relax, and enjoy. That's not to say if you're not woman, you are not welcome to my channel. Of course you are. You're more than welcome. The more the merrier. Especially if you'd like to understand the women in your life a little better. So this is me back in your face. And you're back watching me yet again in 2025. And if you're not here for the first time or the second time, and you just keep coming back and you still have not subscribed, why have you not subscribed? So I hope by the end of this vlog, even for those of you who are new, you are going to like this face enough, like this voice enough, and like what I have to say, what I have to share, what I have to showcase enough for you to find yourself clicking on that subscribe button and make this your home. I'm so late with the first vlog of the year, with the first content of the year. I feel so bad, but I'm glad it's not Feb yet. It's not February yet, so I made it just at the nick of time. There's no way I wouldn't come back, guys. This for me, besides the fact that I enjoy it, besides that, I eventually will make money out of it, and besides the fact that I like expressing myself since I'm a natural creative, it's also because it's so nice when I enjoy watching myself. I really enjoy watching myself. I like listening to myself, I talk to myself a lot. I'm my best friend. I am my best friend, and that's how it should be anyway. We always preached about the greatest love of all being loving ourselves. That's the greatest love of all, when you love yourself. I'm definitely in love with myself. So I enjoy watching my videos. I like looking back at how things were when I did that video, what I was going through, what was going on in my life. So for me, it's kind of like an album. You know, back in the days when you used to have those big photo albums and you page through and they take you back to the times. So it's a nice way of keeping, memories, even for those who are dear to me, my children, my family members, my dear friends, even when the time comes that I depart this earth, and I'm sure by then my channel is going to get very popular. It's a pity, that one becomes more relevant, more popular once they're no longer there. We start going back and panicking like, oh my gosh, trust me. There's so many of you out there who be looking for my channel the day I depart the earth. So yeah, that's why I keep coming back. Those are the reasons I keep coming back. You can count on me, always coming back on these YouTube streets, on these social media streets. Also, this is my way of encouraging those who are my peers, people my age, the senior citizens, who have always wanted to do this, but have always felt, social media is for the younger generation. Says who? Says who? Social media nowadays is for everyone. We also allow to, express ourselves via social media. As for me, it's something I always wanted to do, but I was never really gutsy enough or made time enough to do it. So there's no way I'm gonna let go of that now that I've tasted it. Not that the bug has hit me. There's no way I'm gonna let it go. So, new year, new me. Well, the only thing that's new about me are these braids, which I did when I went to Durban, and these earrings. And they just took it, and they just lovely. They match my top. They actually change color. They keep changing color from gold to purple, as you'll notice, or as you can notice even now. Which were a gift from my dear friend, a sweet and surprise gift, because I wasn't expecting it when I went on a date with my friend. I had not brought any gift with me. So when she said, I got something, Yana, for you, I brought you a gift. I was like, oh my gosh, really? It's not my birthday. And she was like, no, I feel so bad. I wish you had told me prior. I'm going to bring you a gift. So you better organize a gift for me as well. Of course, she never would have said that. But I just felt so bad, rocking up for our dates without any gift, while she came bearing gifts. So yeah, it's actually, she bought me 2 pairs of earrings. So sweet. Love you, my friend. So today's vlog is gonna be about, okay, now that we mentioned the welcome to 2025, I had an impromptu trip to Durban. It was unplanned. Before I knew it, I was flying off to Durban for a work assignment. And of course, if I'm in Durban, I had to go home. So I went home. My parents still reside in Umlazi, Durban, KZN. So I went to, I got to spend some time with my parents after my gig, because my gig was, as much as it was in Durban, but I had to be away. It was a camp thingy for the matrix of 2024. So it was a pre-university camp. So that's what this vlog will be covering, that experience of the pre-university camp. So it was my very first experience being with those bunch of students and even being at a pre-university camp, So I was very excited, wondering how things will go down. And also a date with my friend, how that went down. And of course, what went down when I was home with my dear and sweet parents. I'm so blessed that they're still here, that they're still alive. I love them to bits. So I got a chance to go home in January to spend some time with my parents. So that's what this vlog will be all about. So enjoy. Being at the airport. Being at the airport gives me so much anxiety. Goodness. Nothing gives me anxiety than being at the airport. I'm less stressed once I've checked in because, yeah. Otherwise, me and airports are not good friends. Absolutely not good friends. I've had lots of terrible experiences being at the airport and having a flight leave me. So asibonge usengifike la the boarding gates. I can finally relax. The anxiety is real. We made it safe and sound in spite of the gloomy weather. The gloomy weather has nothing on us. We've safely landed. Hello, Durban. Woo! We are super thankful for whoever came up with an idea to bring supermarkets inside the airports. Well, Woolworths is the only supermarket I know that's situated also inside airports. So I went there to get umgenandlini. You know, you can't be going to your parents' house empty-handed. And ukudla yukonofunekayo ozongena nakho endlini, something to chow. So I went there to get roasted chicken and other things. Nyana nje, you know. Come when I'm going to picture something. Unfortunately, they were finished. As you can see, the ovens were empty. Only the pies were left. So I had no choice but to go where? KFC. My parents absolutely love fried chicken as well. So I went to get them KFC. Sisi yazenzela adaba sisi yazenzela. On this day, these brilliant matriculants who were selected for the pre-university camp, which meant they all qualified to go to university because of their amazing marks. On this day, we had a cookhouse competition. Wow, that was super fun. They were given ingredients and they were allocated 30 minutes to make a meal out of the ingredients that they were given. That was super fun. We had so much fun. We laughed. Oh my gosh. And we had to judge the food at the end. As the facilitators, the grown-ups, you know, we had to choose the group that won the competition. There was, I think there was 4 groups, if I'm not mistaken, 4 teams. So much fun, so much fun. We were so excited here going to the beach to learn more about the different sea animals, to learn more about the ocean, the tides, the this and that. We had someone professional who was going to teach the kids about the sea. You look so angry. Are you about to jump at me? You're scaring me. Huh? Are you mad? Are you mad at me? Are you mad? You look so angry. Just trying to be friends. Just trying to be friends. Just a nice person. Bye. See, I'm leaving you in peace. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Don't follow me. However, I'm feeling next. Yeah. Long walks of freedom. Bekumnandi umuntu asayezansi. Hashem. Akibatli next. Woo! Finally. Oh God, this was hard. Jeez. Hey. Jimma, play weights. Jimma, play weights.
One request as you are singing, may you all please close our eyes. May we all please close our eyes. So guys, this is something that I did to the matric class of 2024 in Kukuza guys. This song, when this song is said, I want someone to imagine themselves in the future. Njengokuthi ukhulula lapho, ngifuna uzicabange wena kusasa. Ngifuna ucabange bonke labantu ababukela kuwena, bonke labantu abathembele kuwena. Kukhona abantu ababukela kuwena wena ongazi ukuthi babukela kuwena. Kukhona abantu ababukela kuwena futhi abanye uyabazi. So mina ngithanda ukuthi labo bantu mawubacabanga, use them as a motivation to do better. Ukuze uzokwenza kangcono uphumelele. Some of us now, we are the ones abazoletha impumelelo emakhaya. Ithina siyokipha imindeni yethu enhluphekweni. So uma ngabe le ngoma le iculwa, masesihamisha, it has to touch something kuwena. Ucabanga ukuthi where am I going in life? Ngabe lezi nqumo esengizozithatha, especially at this time, kulesi sikhathi esibaluleke kangaka. We are going to Varsity. Varsity uzofika ubhekane ney'nkinga ezahlukahlukene. So lezo inkinga lezo kumele wenze sure ukuthi awuvumeli ukuthi kubizwa nezinqoba wena. kuzoba wena ozonqoba zona ukuze nawe uzonqoba lenhlupheko esekhaya. So awukwazi ukuvumela ukuthi izimo zomhlaba zishintshe wena ekuthenini wena uphumelelise umndeni wakho. Uba wakho ubheke wena nje wakho uyagiya ngethambo ngawusexhome ngawe kabi. Awukwazi ukumphoqa. Kumele manje omuye abanye bethu imoto azikho emakhaya wena umuntu oqala uzoba nemoto. Ungayivumeli izimo zomhlaba zikwenza ushintshe leyo goal. Ushintshe lento ekudrivayo. Sebenzisa labantu labo bakubhekile ngemuva umndeni wakho abantu obaziyo nongabazi ngoba khona abantu njengobula nje it means you're a top performer kusho esikoleni khona ingane bezivela kuwena ukuthi uyolanda ama-achievements akho iy'ngane zithi oh wow nami one day ngifuna ukuyolanda itifiketi laphaya njengosibanibani lapha phambili njengo-head boy njengobani noma ubani omunye. So when you have to use that as a motivation ukuthi you know what I cannot let those people down. Njengoba Varsity kumele ukuthi mawubuya be something better. Kumele ukuthi one step ahead. Kumele ukuthi ungaphambili. Abantu njengoba uzobashiya wena because wena uzoshiya bona. Kumele ukuthi mabuya you are a bit better. Why? Ukuthi nabo bazoba inspired ukuthi baqhubeke bafane nawe even though abantu bengeke bafane nawe but it's a good thing ukuthi khona umuntu ebukela kuwena because you're a good example. Angithi seshiyeni ukuthi thina la you need to have whatever the word is, authenticity, whatever, integrity. You have to be true to yourself. La uyakhona. Sebekukhulumile abanye siyazazi iyalo. Akusingayikhohlwa ke iyalo njengoba sesizoye Varsity manje. Do not forget ukuthi wena uyeleni la uyakhona ungakhohlwa ukuthi ubani obheke wena and nawe msalofu because you are the important person in your life. So wena akuwedwa. You know ukuthi ufuna empilweni yakho ungayikhohlwa leyo goal ngokusufika phambili. Oh kancane sizophumelela. Oh kancane.
Okungapheli kuyahlola. It was a mixture of excitement and sadness when it was time to go home. Excitement because of all the lovely and amazing time we spent together, all the friendships that were formed. Sad because, we're now parting ways, but wow, what an experience.
Akahlale phansi naye hlakaniphile lo mntwana awu aqeda nje wasipholiseliwe ngiyabonga-ke manje
ukuthi usigaya awugazi yaqoba ukhumbula nokukhumbula But what was wrong with Bobby?
Bobby is not.
Yabona nje uma usekhaya uyithola udla inyama nje sikhaleni udikadika ngenyama nje yes, you know, the beauty of being home. Delicious, delicious. Enye nenye sizoyibona mase sibuyele eJoburg okwamanje. Let's feast and be merry. Dipped in chili sauce. One, stay away from me. Stay away from my meat. Yeah, Vashim. Yeah, fire. Yum, yum, delicious. Yum, yum, delicious. Yum, yum. There's no place like home. No place like home. Cause there ain't no place like bed, I believe it. There ain't no place like bed, oh baby. There ain't no place like, there's no place like home. I'm in no place, child. Woo! If you are my peer, you know that comedy. So you grew up watching this American comedy series that you grew up watching. I've forgotten even the title of that comedy series, but I just remember the tune when the thing starts. No place like home. I don't know the lyrics. I really appreciate how my parents take care of the garden, the flowers. And you've had these pink flowers forever, like for more than 40 years. They just always have been there. And they look absolutely gorgeous, I think almost throughout the year, but I think mostly in summer, during the rainy season in summer, when they're in full bloom, they look so stunning. Actually, my mom reminded me about that yellow flower that I had picked it up on my way from school and brought it home, and Uma wachala the seeds, and also nazo we've had them for years, all because of moi. Yeah, I actually remember that day. I was very young. Maybe I was in grade 4, grade 3, grade 4. I was very young, and I thought these would just look perfect in my house garden. My friend is running late, and I'm not the most patient person, but she'll be here soon. I can't wait to see her. Oh gosh, I haven't seen her in such a long time, and I really, really, really miss her. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, my friend. Go and use it yourself. Oh, so hot between so hot. Jeez.
To ensure a safe and comfortable journey, we kindly ask for your full attention, as we will now be taking you through some of the safety features of our Boeing 737 aircraft. We kindly remind you to respect the privacy of those around you by not...
I've just landed a Josie. Well, we've come to the end of our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you never got a chance or you kept forgetting to subscribe last year, please subscribe this year. Making my year. Singenile 2025. Thank you, Lord. Singenile sizobona how things will pan out. Let's see what 2025 has in store for us. I'm not the type who, creates vision boards. I just, I'm a go with the flow kind of mama. I don't want the pressure by the end of the year or at a certain time, let's say by July this year, I go back to my vision board and I realize, oh my gosh, I haven't even achieved even, like 5% of the things I put out on my vision board. I don't want that pressure. So I'll go with the flow. I'd rather plan at the beginning of each month, when I've already seen, the previous month, how things were like. So, I would be having an idea come the following month, how things are kind of going, like which route, my life is taking me. Because with my experience, by the way, this is just me. Nothing wrong if you're the type of mama who believes in vision boards. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong if you're the type of mama who believes in like writing things down on some diary, things that you want to achieve for the year. Nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with that. But like I say, for me, I love surprises because life has tends to just, you know, sway me into a direction that I never expected, that I never even thought of, you know. So I just follow whatever the canvas that my creator have laid out for me for each and every month. I just follow that canvas. Of course, I do have things that I would like to achieve, and of course, I do jot some things that I would like to achieve. But I don't go as far as, you know, making a vision board and be all and obsess a lot over things that I need to achieve. I don't know. I just don't believe in that. I'm just not comfortable doing that, you know. So yeah, let's see what 2025 has for me. I've always said I'm going to continue living my life with a lot of faith, put faith in everything that I do, and always invite my creator to be my guardian, to show me the way, to light up the way for me, to walk ahead of me, to open up my mind to things that he wants me to see, you know, to give me that discernment about things and about people. So yeah, let's see how things go. So guys, let's stay living and let's stay woke. See you next time and keep well. Goodbye.